Hello guys, this is TJ Villanueva and today ang topic natin is about pyramiding scam. Paano ba sinasagot yung ganitong klase ng objection? Siguro before we start sa topic natin, meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo na idea. Remember this, kung sino yung nagtatanong, siya ang may control ng conversation. As much as possible, huwag mong hahayaan ikaw ang tinatanong ng prospect mo. As much as possible, dapat ikaw yung nagtatanong sa kanila. So now, paano sasagutin itong pyramiding scam objection na to? So I'm gonna give you some points kung saan magkakaroon ka ng idea kung paano mo ito sasagutin ng maganda. Okay? So number one is, you can say about your industry, or you can, pag yung company was related din online, or pwede gawin online, you can say it's about making money online. Or it's about making money part-time. Okay? Bahala ka kung ano yung gusto mo sagot. Now, the next is, you have to ask them question. Okay? Para yung power bumalik sa'yo. Okay? Kasi again, kapag ikaw yung tinatanong, yung may power sa conversation, yun yung tatanong. Okay? So last is, you have to set the appointment pagkatapos mong sagutin yung objection na yan. So paano siya tumatakbo? So, bibigyan ko ng example. Halimbawa, tinanong ka na, ano ba yan? Yung ba yung parang pyramiding scam? Sagot mo sa kanya, it's about internet posting, it's about making money online, it's about making money by drinking coffee, or it's about making money by using load. Okay? Then, ask them question. So, paano yun? Sabihin mo sa kanya, Sir, or Mr. Prospect, gusto mo pa bang kumita extra bukod sa trabaho mo? Mr. Prospect, gusto mo pa bang kumita extra bukod sa business mo? So, again, if you ask them, yung power bumabalik sa'yo. So, of course, wala namang tao na ayaw kumita extra. Sasabihin nila yes. And then, you set the appointment. Sasabihin mo sa kanya, I'm free tomorrow, let's meet again. 4 p.m., I will discuss it to you. Full details. Just give me 30 minutes. Okay? So, I hope marami kayo natutunan tonight or this topic na to. No? Again, this is TJ Villanueva. I'm just here to help you.